Hi, another great FinOps tool to save money is to use the AWS free tier. So let's dive in. First, the AWS free tier provides customers the ability to explore and try out AWS services free of charge up to specified limits for each service. So the free tier is comprised of three different types of offering. The first one is 12 months free. So you can get here, for example, this one or this one. So let's say that for the first 12 months, you will have, for new customers, 750 hours of EC2 free, but limited to instance types. You will also have 5 gigabytes of standard storage on S3. And for example, you will also have 750 hours of ARDS, and this is only here for DBT3 micro or DBT4G micro. And you can see that you also have like 20 gigabytes of general purpose SSD GP2 of storage each month for the first 12 months. You also have always free offering. So this is like this one for DynamoDB. You will always have the first 25 gigabytes of storage free. And then you also have short-term free trials, such as this one here. So SageMaker AI. If you start the trial, you will have 2 months free. And if you are linked to an AWS organization, then only one account can benefit from the free tier offers. Let's see the terms now. So the 12-month free tier is only available to new AWS customers and is available for 12 months following your AWS sign-up date. The other offers are available to both existing and new AWS customers and may be limited in duration, such as for trials, or in available free usage, such as the amount of free storage for a database offer. You will be charged standard rates for use of AWS services if AWS determines that you are not eligible for an offer, and you may also not use AWS services under any offers to mine for cryptocurrency. And you can also check here in the AWS billing and the AWS free tier page here, the summary of all your existing AWS free tier usage, so the current usage and the forecasted usage.